What is my food, guys?
Asian comfort food. It's Filipino-ish.
Yes, Filipino-ish. We do Filipino food, Vancouver-inspired.
Adobo chicken wings at inihaw na liempo. Ilan lamang sa mga inihain sa ikalawang taon ng Kamayan Festival. Patok din ang adobo at sisig sliders na nasa ube pandesal.
This is all about giving back to the culture, Filipino culture in general. Very cool atmosphere to be out here. Very cool atmosphere to show out for my community and cook amazing good food.
Naganap linggo ang Kamayan Fest, pagdiriwang ng kulturang Pilipino na naiiba raw sa ibang festivals.
Kamayan Fest, it really does celebrate the young, immigrant culture of Filipinos. Most of us that organize it, we're second generation, not super traditional. And it's just a revival of us owning our heritage and sharing it and kind of giving it a twist.
This is one of our favorite collabs ever. Beta 5 ice cream sandos, corn and cheese ice cream, Hawker's Cheesies, which is Canadian, and we got a beautiful ube cookie right on the outside. Super nice.
It's just amazing to see that more people want us to be out there, not just the chef, the artists, b-boys, DJs, singers, and it's just amazing.
Bukod sa pagpapakilala ng kulturang Pilipino sa mga laki na rito, nais ng Kamayan Fest na suportahan ang mga Filipino-owned small businesses at creatives. Kaya naman ang espasyo para sa pagsali rito, libre.
So this festival is very grassroots, organized by my friend Lele. We've been in touch. This is our second year, and it's just been amazing to turn out from the community, not just the Filipino community, but the Vancouver community.
We just wanted to celebrate our culture in a way that would remove barriers for a lot of the small businesses and talented makers that we knew.
We did Kamayan Fest just because we want to show up for the people, and we just want to always showcase our culture as best as we can. And the cuisine that we do is gateway cuisine, gateway Filipino cuisine. As long as it's bringing attention to our culture, we all win.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.